Hello, COM 3350 students, leadership communication. I'm just here with a brief check-in. I like to try to do these weekly just to touch base with everybody, talk about what's coming due, and make sure that we're all on track for the week ahead. So let's take a look at the schedule page of the syllabus and make sure that we're going to have everything in on time this week. Here is the schedule page of our syllabus for COM 3350. This week we're in Module 1, which ends May 15th, which is Saturday at 11:59 p.m. Now remember, every week you have an assignment that ends on the Saturday night. So you should always think ahead for completing that. Now, I never want to see my students in crisis mode on Saturday trying to get the material done. So I strongly recommend that you pace yourself during the week, spend short amounts of time during the week working on the course so that you're not in panic mode on Saturday night. This week, we are doing the syllabus quiz and the intro discussion board. You are to have read the syllabus and chapters 1 and 2 of the text. I strongly recommend that you keep up with the reading so that when the first exam comes up in week 4, you're not backlogged at that point. Take it in small doses. How do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. So I encourage you to resolve to keep on top of the reading. Remember also the discussion boards have 2 due dates, and we will be doing some more discussion boards as the term goes on. There's a due date on the Wednesday of the week for your initial post and a due date of Saturday night for your responses to all of your group mates. You are in small groups of 5 students, so you're not having to respond to a large number of people. And I did that purposely to make things a little bit more manageable for us. If you should miss that Wednesday deadline for making your first post, don't panic. You can make it later in the week. You will lose some points for making it late, but better late than never. If you can get it in before Saturday, you'll still be able to earn points for it. Don't forget to go back in and make your replies. A lot of times students only get points for the original post and they miss the replies because they forget to go back in there a second time. So I wanted to remind you about that. Now, on this first week, the introductions board, I'm looking to see that you know how to use the board and that you know how to make a post and reply to posts and things like that. The future discussion boards will be tied to assignments. So I'm going to ask you to write about specific things in those discussions, and the instructions for those discussion boards will be on the task list in those modules. So make sure that you always read those instructions and follow them. Now, on future discussion boards, you will have to make a post before you can see anybody else's posts so that you're not able to read everybody's initial post before you make your own. Also, I have e-learning randomly assigned people to groups, so in future discussion boards, you may be with a different group of people than you were in this introduction board. But having you do the introductions, it's fun. It tells me that everybody's present and accounted for. It tells me that you know how the discussion boards work and that you understand the 2 deadline system for those. So again, Saturday night, 11:59 p.m. is the deadline for everything that's due during that weekly module, but I encourage you not to wait until Saturday night to work on the material. Okay, if you have any questions, send me an email. If you would like a WebEx meeting, I'm happy to do that. Have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.